Question 3 of the task requires us using an Excel program to construct a bivariate scatterplot to represent our data. So I've got all my data here. So to construct the scatterplot, I'm just going to highlight the fat, total, and calories. Go to Insert, Charts, Scatter. Now we'll just bring the table down here. What we're also going to do is going to add the axis titles, trend line. We're also going to extend the trend line so to help us extrapolate. So we'll bring it backwards by 11, and we'll also bring it forwards by a little bit to 8. I'm also going to display the equation of the line and the correlation. We'll just move that there. Okay. Now for the vertical axis, we're going to write total calories. For the horizontal x-axis, it is total grams of fat. And for the chart title, we're just going to write calories in, oh, I should write amount of calories. In various burgers. Okay, so what we're going to do now, for question 4, we have to use the equation of the line, which is this, y equals 10.567x plus 232.12 to estimate the number of calories in a burger of 50 grams of fat. So we're going to do, press equals 10.567, and we're going to substitute x with 50, so times it by 50 plus 232.12, enter. So we can estimate that the number of calories in a burger with 50 grams of fat would be 760 and 47.47. We also have to interpolate any number of calories of our choice within the set. So I'm going to use 22. So 22 will be around there. If we use the equation of the line and substitute x with 22, we could find the answer as well. So we're going to do 10.567 times by 22 plus 232.12, enter. So we can estimate that it's going to be around 464.60 calories. Now also we have to use the equation of the line to extrapolate 3 grams of fat. I've extended the line to also show this. So we're looking for around like 260 something. So we're going to use the equation of the line again. We're going to do 10.567 times by 3 plus 232.12. Yeah, so 263 is the estimated amount of calories. To find the Pearson correlation, we're going to type in enter, correlation, or correl. And then we're going to highlight our fat, total. And we got it there. And then our number of calories and Pearson correlation, which is type in, press enter, and it will equal 0.737. So it will be a moderate positive